Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the parent Google account and the child device is powered on. Once done, open the Family Link app on both devices and allow requested permissions. This enables device discovery and account pairing. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so codes can be exchanged securely, and check battery levels to avoid an interrupted flow. These steps speed pairing and prevent common errors when generating the parental code, so don't skip them. You now generate the actual code. Tap Add Child or Manage Child, then follow prompts to set up supervision. When prompted, select the Give Code or Get Code option. Family Link will display an 8-digit parental code for pairing. Read it aloud or tap Copy. You'll enter that exact number on the other device. Because the code expires quickly for security, act fast and avoid reissuing multiple codes, which can confuse the pairing process and delay completion. To finish, enter the 8-digit code on the child device and follow approval prompts to confirm supervision. After you accept permissions, configure screen time and content filters. These settings apply immediately. If the code fails, first close and reopen Family Link on both devices, then request a new code and try again. If problems persist, reboot both devices and ensure network connectivity. This resolves most timing or visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.